Sai, Sai, when Pedra will come, Sai? Tomorrow. Why he is not coming today? But Pedra always cheating, right? He will say tomorrow.
Because he loves Karpa.
But he likes you, right?
But he loves Karpa. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?